guys!
Today I'm gonna be building my boyfriend a PC so he can play Diablo. We have the HYTE Y60 in Snow White, the case where everyone's been raving about. This is my first time building a PC, so if I mess up, don't judge. Here we have the X670E gaming motherboard. Here we're gonna add 64 gigabyte of memory because more is always better. Here we're installing our solid state drive. This is my favorite part. Whee! Okay, so now we're just gonna screw and plug everything in. How do you guys apply your thermal paste? The CPU cooler to keep it from overheating. Here we have some more fans to keep it cool. Ooh, more RGB. Like to spin these fans, so I'm gonna do it. Alright, how sick is this packaging? Wow. Alright, we're gonna add our graphics card in. The best part, peeling off the film. And voila, it's alive. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.